Vitamins, micronutrients. Objectives. By the end of this video, you will be able to list out the vitamins under two categories such as water soluble and fat soluble, as well as explain the sources of vitamins, deficiency diseases and symptoms. In the last video, you have learnt about the major nutrients required by our body such as carbohydrates, proteins and lipids. These substances are required for bodybuilding, energy production and for several metabolic activities. The deficiency of these substances will lead to malnutrition. But there are some other micronutrients which are essential to our body, such as vitamins. These are the micronutrients which are required in smaller quantities, but these are the most essential substances required for several lot of metabolic activities. These vitamins are not synthesized in our body. They are either gained by the food which we take, or there are some bacteria in our intestine which synthesize the vitamins. So, the sources of these vitamins are the food and bacteria in our intestine. The vitamins are classified as water soluble and fat soluble vitamins. B complex and vitamin C are the water soluble vitamins. B complex includes several lot of vitamins such as B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B9, B12, etc. These numbering has been given on the basis of the timeline of their discovery. The next group of vitamins are fat soluble vitamins. The fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and K. So in this video, we are going to learn about each vitamin, resources of these vitamins, as well as deficiency diseases and symptoms. Let us see one by one. Thiamine. It is indicated as B1 vitamin. The food resources are cereals, oil seeds, vegetables, milk, meat, fish, eggs. The deficiency of this vitamin leads to the disease called beriberi. The symptoms of beriberi are vomiting, fits, loss of appetite, difficulty in breathing and paralysis. Riboflavin. It is indicated as vitamin B2. The food resources of riboflavin are milk, eggs, liver, kidney, vegetables. The deficiency of riboflavin leads to the disease called glossitis, in which the mouth is faced with the ulcers. The symptoms are mouth cracks at the corners, red and sore tongue, photophobia and scaly skin. Niacin. This vitamin is indicated as vitamin B3. The food resources for this vitamin are kidney, liver, meat, fish, eggs, oil seeds. The deficiency of vitamin B3 leads to the disease called pellagra. The symptoms are dermatitis, which refers to the kind of skin disease in which the skin becomes red and scaly. Diarrhea, loss of memory and scaly skin. Pyridoxine. This is indicated as vitamin B6. The food resources for pyridoxine are cereals, oil seeds, vegetables, milk, meat, fish, eggs, liver. The deficiency of pyridoxine leads to the disease called anemia. The symptoms are hyperirritability, nausea, vomiting and fits. Cyanocobalamin. This is indicated as vitamin B12. There is a specialty for this vitamin as it is synthesized by the bacteria in the human intestine. The resources, as we have said, the human intestine. The deficiency of this disease leads to pernicious anemia, which is a kind of severe anemic disease. The symptoms are lean, weak, and less appetite. Folic acid. It is indicated as vitamin B9. The food resources are liver, meat, eggs, milk, fruits, cereals, leafy vegetables. The deficiency of folic acid leads to again anemia. The symptoms are diarrhea, weak, loss of leukocytes, intestinal mucus problems. Due to the loss of leukocytes, the children with folic acid deficiency will be affected with several other diseases as they lose the immunity. Pantothenic acid. It is indicated with vitamin B5. The food resources are sweet potato, groundnuts, vegetables, liver, kidney, eggs. The deficiency of pantothenic acid leads to the burning feet. The symptoms are walking problems, headache, extreme tiredness, and strain. Biotin. This is indicated as B7. The food resources are pulses, nuts, vegetables, liver, kidney. The deficiency of biotin leads to nervous disorders. The symptoms are fatigue, mental depression, and muscle pains. Ascorbic acid. This is the vitamin C. The food resources for vitamin C are green leafy vegetables and citrus fruits. Sprouts. The deficiency of ascorbic acid leads to the disease called scurvy, in which there is delay in healing of wounds, fractures of bones, gum diseases, bleeding from the skin as well as the gums. Retinol. This is in other words known as vitamin A. The food resources are green leafy vegetables, carrot, tomato, pumpkin, papaya, mango, meat, fish, eggs, liver, milk, cod liver oil, shark liver oil. The deficiency of retinol leads to eye and skin diseases like night blindness, xerophthalmia, cornea failure, scaly skin, and several other eye and skin diseases. Sometimes the deficiency of vitamin A leads to the blindness. Hence, the government supplies the vitamin A syrup to the children below the age of 5 years at regular intervals. Calciferol. In other words, it is known as vitamin D. The food resources are liver, eggs, butter, cod liver oil, and shark liver oil. The deficiency of vitamin D leads to the disease called rickets, in which the children will face a lot of problems with the bones. The symptoms are improper formation of bones, knock knees, which is shown in the picture, swollen wrist, delayed dentition, weak bones. Tocopherol. This is indicated as vitamin E. The food resources are fruits, vegetables, sprouts, meat, eggs, sunflower oil. The deficiency of tocopherol leads to fertility disorders, in which there is sterility in males and abortions in females. Phylloquinone, which is referred as vitamin K. The food resources are green leafy vegetables, milk. The deficiency of this disease leads to the delay of blood clotting. The symptoms are delay in blood clotting and overbleeding. Summary. By the end of this video, you have learned vitamins are the micronutrients required in smaller quantities. Vitamins B and C are water-soluble vitamins, whereas A, D, E and K are the fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamins are available in fruits, vegetables, cereals, grains, oilseeds, meat, fish, liver, kidney, milk, etc. Vitamin B12 is synthesized in the intestine of human digestive tract. As well as deficiency of vitamins leads to many diseases in children.